Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1966 Impala SS 396 Survivor. It's finished in silver, the black interior. Got a lot of documentation on this particular car. Very, very original. Got the original bill of sale, window sticker, Protecto plate. Basically silver, black vinyl roof, power glide, 396, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, 3 1/4 horse, tint, rear speaker, hazard switch, glazing, winterize, and rear window defroster. Purchased new in Brooklyn. It's not too far away from here. A really cool car. Fantastic condition. Beautiful super straight body. Just don't see him like this anymore. Runs and drives fantastic. Buckets, console, very, very original. Oh, 98,413 original miles. AM radio, power glide. Really nice. Defroster. Door shut, beautiful. Very nice fitment of everything. Look at that. Great lines on this car. What you get for originality. T3 headlight up front. Really nice chrome and stainless all the way around. Just washed it, so there's a little water spot right there. Really nice glass too. Windows come up and down really nice. Usually you gotta struggle to get these up. They come right up. Really nice. Same thing with the back windows. It's really nice. Real good rubber all the way around. brakes, air conditioning, Harrison radiator. Very nice, honest car. Runs great too. It's like the original padding under the hood. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot for joining us today.